Okay, so you start kneeling down, facing the back. You wait for 2 counts. Head goes up 3, down 4. Start getting up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You turn towards the front. 1, 2, 3, close. Ready to start. We go 1, 2, 3. From there, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We move on, point. From there, we go click up, down, and step, cross, turn round, from side to side. From there, we go up, 2, 3, 4, up, 1, 2, down, 3, repeat, and 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we go 1 more chance. Into the chorus, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out and in, 2, cross, 3, cross, 4, cross. All right? From there, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 punches. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Punch to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch upwards. 5, 6, 7, 8. Into the floor bit. So you got your legs up, toes up, heels down. From the other leg, you got your toe up, heel down. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You're knocking on the wood. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4. We repeat the leg bit. We go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From there, we go side, click, side, click, side, click, side, click, flying high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start. We go 1, 2, 3. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point. We go click. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Step, cross, turn, hands go side, side. From there we go up, up and down. Repeat, and 1 and 2 and 3. Repeat, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. From there we go 1 more chance. Into the chorus. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and cross, and 2 and cross, 3, cross, 4, cross. From there we punch upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roly-poly. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Punch to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch diagonally. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back into the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Knock. 5, 6, 7. Stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, click, 2, click, 3 and 4. Like an airplane. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there into the music where you can freestyle and boogie and go all out.